Hi, my lovely people. I am in Kerala, to be more specific, in Munnar, and it was really freezing outside. Freezing, I mean, the temperature was around 12, 13 degrees Celsius, and we were really feeling cold. That's the reason I did not open the window. If you can see, like, it's still little dewy outside. So, anyways, first I moisturized my lip with this lip oil, Kiro lip oil. I've been testing it out for quite some time now, and I really like it. First come first, I applied the sunscreen. This is the Dermaco hyaluronic acid sunscreen. Okay, it was really cold. That's why I made that face. So I'm applying it all over. It was really gloomy at first. I thought that I wouldn't wear any makeup because we had a very long day. We're gonna go around about the entire Munnar, but I had to shoot some content from Instagram, and without makeup, I'm not a fan. So I ended up putting makeup, like almost like everything, but I did keep the base really lightweight, and it did serve the entire day, I must say. So I'm applying this Mars illuminating primer. I only carry this primer because the other illuminating base that I have is in glass bottles. So शायद ये काफी ज़्यादा use कर चुकी हूँ मैं. I'm about to hit the tube, I think, because it wasn't squeezing out, or maybe because of the temperature, I don't know. So I did put it all over, and I waited for a couple of minutes. Then I'm going in with my pore filling primer. This is a Nika Prep Me Up. I need to get a travel size of this because they do come in 7 gram version, I think. I'm gonna get it soon. So I'm just putting it, and my friend was mimicking me, so I just was enjoying the time with her. So then I applied it, and I was waiting for a couple of minutes for the entire thing to sink in. Munnar was so great. I loved my time in Kerala. I always wanted to go to Kerala. It was in my vision board for the longest time, and this was something that's like an impromptu plan made with friends. So I loved this trip. It was not a huge long trip. It was just like 3 4 days of trips, but we enjoyed the time there. The temperature was just apt. So I applied this darker color concealer from Daily Forever. All the details I'm gonna link in the description box below. Also, you can see the screenshot of the products side by side. Then my Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 01 Warm Sand. Just a little bit. It's just the exact match, and we weren't sleeping all these days. We were really waking up early because of traveling, etc. I end up like cutting on my sleep because I'm there to enjoy, so I don't want to waste any time sleeping. So the under eyes were pretty dark because of the inadequate sleep plus constant makeup, traveling, etc. So थोड़ा स्किन तो टोल हो ही जाता है. Anyways, I'm blending out with the help of this Mars Kabuki brush. This is the only brush that I carry always. It is so damn good. If you guys are looking for any foundation brush, any affordable foundation brush, just get the Mars blending brush. It's very nice. So after applying this, I will go ahead with the liquid blush. So also, guys, I wanted to ask what type of content you guys like watching on my channel. I am like a little confused. Makeup tutorials ज़्यादा कोई देखता नहीं है. I don't know. I love watching, and primarily my niche is like makeup and beauty. So I want to continue doing these sort of videos, but I'm not sure whether that's what you guys want. Please do leave your suggestions in the comment section below so that I get a rough idea. So here I'm going just a tiny teeny bit of highlighting concealer. This is from Inside Cosmetics. I'm in the shade MN20. I think this is the new launch that they came out with, and I'm blending this with the help of Cuffs and Lashes brush. I have a mixed review about these Cuffs and Lashes brush. I'm gonna make a separate video on that. I did get them for like very affordable price, buy one get one, and I was super happy because the shape and everything were good, but I'm not sure how do I feel about them yet. So stay tuned. While like I like to kind of keep the highlighting concealer shade for some time because it's super bright. If I like spread it around the whole face, it's gonna look ashy. So I kind of put a dot and wait for like say couple of minutes. So that's why like I was enjoying the rain and the view. So now I'm blending it out. I don't like to move that concealer like throughout. I'm just like pressing and dabbing exactly there so that थोड़ा सा मेरे अंडर आईज में लाइफ आ जाए. So that's what. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do here. And now I'm gonna take my favorite blush currently. Like the time that I got this blush, अभी तक मैं इसको constantly use कर रही हूँ. This is from Pack X Sara collection and I am in the shade Fudge Me Not. ये इतना easy है blend करने के लिए. It just blends like a butter. I'm not even kidding. इसको आप लगा के थोड़ी देर रुक भी जाओ तो भी इसमें stain नहीं आता है, and it's pretty long lasting as well. It's dewy. You just need to go ahead and set it with a powder blush. Then the longevity is like top notch. So while I was putting it, I felt like मुझे और थोड़ा blush चाहिए, as like my face was looking so lifeless. So I went ahead and put a little bit more. I just love it. Layers very nicely, doesn't move the base. Sarah has like killed it, nailed up with this formulation. I just wish she comes up with more such products, because like her products are really killing it. So I have also been eyeing on her setting mist. She did come up with a prep and prime mist or something like that, and I've been hearing quite good reviews. But वो कभी offer में नहीं रहता है, so मैंने लिया नहीं. In fact, ये भी मैंने offer में लिया नहीं, but yeah, I usually wait for the offer. You guys know. So now I'm just trying to remove the creases, क्योंकि काफी time हो चुका concealer लगाते. So I'm trying to remove my creases with the help of the index finger, preferably, and then going ahead with setting powder. This is the translucent setting powder in the shade Banana from Swiss Beauty. After that, you guys have been asking me about the review of this blush Daily Forever 52. I'm in the shade Sweet Pink, I think. So ये काफी टाइम मैं यूज कर चुकी हूँ, 2 महीने से, और आई लव इट. इट गिव्स अ ड्यूवी फिनिश. इट डजंट exaggerate any texture. It is super long lasting. These two combination is like match made in heaven. It lasts the entire day. I'm not even kidding you guys. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है ये blush. And also it comes with a full size mirror. So this is the only mirror that I carry while traveling, क्योंकि इसमें पूरा face of makeup हो जाता है. Like you guys can see, I'm sitting in the balcony and there is no mirror there. The entire face I did it only with the help of this mirror. It's really good. Plus you get a huge pan जो आप कभी भी खत्म नहीं करने वाले हो. After that, I'm going ahead with the only bronzer that I have, that I own. This is the Makeup Revolution bronzer. It has a warm tone. I love it. I just bronzer the entire face. I never miss on bronzer, no matter what weather it is. So I'm also contouring my nose with it and trying to blend it out. And this is a travel hack that I always do, that apply your same blush or your bronzer. Use your bronzer as a transition shade and use the blush as your entire lid. I don't like to go with glitter or shimmer while I'm traveling, or like when I have a long day. It just looks messy, and after some time it kind of wears down your face. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I applied the blush first all over my eyes, and then I went ahead with this bronzer shade from the Mars palette. I did carry, but I did not end up using this palette at all over the 4 days. But I did use that brown because it has like a cool undertone. It's a little slightly darker in color, so it pairs up very nicely as a transition shade. So I did that, and I took a clean Mars blending brush and I just blended it just to give a soft depth. That's it. No, nothing fancy that I'm trying to do here. And I didn't even take it in the lower lashes, to be honest. Then I'm taking this Inside Cosmetics highlighter. I carry this highlighter everywhere because it's so tiny. It fits in any of your bag. It doesn't accumulate a lot of space. Plus, it is cream highlighter. I really love this. Is the shade 03 Angelic Beauty, I suppose. And oh my god, this is the only highlighter that I use. I also carry the Kiro powder highlighter, but I did not end up opening it at all. So this is what I'm doing. I'm applying it everywhere, like all the highest points of my face. And I got called from my friend, so I went and I took a little break. Then filling in my eyebrows with the help of Swiss Beauty lip eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. It also comes with a spoolie. I'm not a fan of that spoolie, but I just carried it. But I usually don't like to carry this pencil when I'm traveling for a longer days. It was like a 3-4 days staycation, so it was okay. But क्योंकि उसमें sharpener तुमको अलग सा carry करना पड़ता है, for that reason I prefer retractable products during the vacation. So now, as usual, I take that Swiss Beauty holographic highlight in the shade Nebula for my inner corner. It just opens up my eyelids like no one's business. This makes a huge difference, especially when you're feeling sleepy or didn't get adequate sleep. I would suggest do that. Then I'm taking a waterproof mascara because the weather is little chilly and it's raining, so I'm taking a waterproof mascara. Plus, it would be really long lasting. You guys can see how beautiful the view is. We are on top of the Munnar hill station. It is just beautiful. Then I'm applying a lot of coats, but I couldn't do it in like that small mirror, so I took a break and then went inside my washroom and then did my entire mascara, because I take good 3-4 minutes to do my mascara. That's how long I take. Then I'm sorry, I'm out of focus a bit. But yeah, I'm applying the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Burgundy. I did go ahead with the nude lip in the beginning, but then as the time passed, as the day progressed, when I felt little lifeless again, I went ahead and applied a bolder lipstick. Anyways, I'm gonna insert a picture on how it looked later. But this is the Insight Lip Cream, the no smudge lipstick that they came up, very new launch in the shade Jamaica. I've already done a full review in my short. Please go and check it out. I'm setting my final step with the NYX matte setting spray, and this is my final look. I really hope you guys like this mini get ready with me, and trust me, it did not budge. The makeup really lasted the entire day. I did this kind of Indo-Western outfit. You guys can see in the thumbnail. Like, I paired this with a long skirt. मुझे काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, and this entire look is something that had in my mind, and I loved recreating it for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Ta-da, bye bye.